Sheesh, there's a lot of people here. Don't know if they're all ballers or if they're here to watch, but we're gonna find out real quick. Alright, we're here at the over-under doubles. Chris is bowling with Timmy Mack. They're bowling on 39 feet, and to no surprise, there's a lot of urethane. There's probably gonna be a lot of urethane, period. May the best urethane users and bowlers that perform well when, you know what, I'm just chilling, man. But look who it is, dude. It's Bassy.
Is that ball good?
From the Twitch / the Discord / everything, but you can click the link below, twitch.tv/VitaminDTang, and join us on stream. I'm not streaming a lot right now because I'm on the road, but once the tour season's done, we'll be back, and I'm sure he'll be trolling a lot in chat, so be on the lookout for the only Bassy, give him a hard time. Alright, we got some fans here.
What's good? What's good?
You guys just checking out the tournament
Oh
so
yeah,
far? You guys
watching
yourself?
people. Yep, we just won sectionals.
Nice.
We're doing pretty
Alright.
good. Going to districts.
We're flex, but I like it.
Yep. So
Confidence. Well, good luck to you guys.
thank you.
Is there anything else you guys want to say to your fans?
Good luck with the rest of the season for you.
Thank you.
And that's basically it.
Nope. Good deal, guys.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, we got the cheering squad. Me and Toby. We're supporting the boys. I think they need like 500 over to be safe.
They're not getting there.
All right.
I want this on the record. Darren stole my bowling ball. I'm not friends with him anymore.
I'm so sad. Richie was like one of my best friends out here. Now I have no one. But anyways, we'll document the bowling for you guys, and we'll probably just talk a lot of shit. Hi, Timmy.
Hi, Darren.
How'd you feel about your performance today?
It was poor after the first. The first two games were poor, but after that was all right. Not bad for somebody that doesn't bowl anymore.
You were urethane banging?
I was for 4 games. I was wheeling it the 4th game. Wheeling it.
It's a good thing you got a Hall of Fame partner.
Yeah, that guy's good.
300?
He's good.
Did you carry or did he carry?
We were about even. We were about the same. About 250 apiece.
So you didn't do your job?
No. No, my job's to be the worst bowler on every team that I'm on.
Okay. You know what the people want.
You know the last game? Zen ball? Good. Duck shot 300 with it.
Zen ball
Never
good.
fails. Zen ball good.
So Chris didn't strike his first 3 shots. Didn't look very good. And if he didn't strike in the 4th, we were like, man, should probably make a ball change. He kind of had a little magical light mixer in the 4th. In the 5th frame, we were like, okay, if he doesn't strike here and doesn't ball change, he's not wise. But if he does strike in the 5th frame, he's probably not going to switch, and he's going to pull 267. Well, look at what we got here. We just know. We know what we're talking about. We know what we're doing.
It's so easy from back here.
It's so easy. I mean, you know, I know a lot of you guys watch through a screen and think you know, and I'm sure a lot of you in the comments are going to let me know, and I'm just going to sit here and take it like a man. Let me know. Whatever. Well, it looks like Chris and Timmy need some score the last 4 games, the halfway point.
They need a lot of score.
They got about a little less than 200 under, I think. And it's looking like it's going to take at least
420-ish.
410 might honestly make it. That's 10th on A
squad.
squad.
Yeah.
They are not playing quite as nice as the first squad, or they're just not breaking them down as well. I don't know.
There's not as much urethane going down the lane, which is not good for their scoring pace.
And this squad is not quite as strong.
No, there's way less Hall of Famers.
There were a lot of Hall of Famers in the first squad. So. I mean, if anybody can do it, it's them. Chris and Timmy are going to need some real big ones these last two. I think they're about 230 or 40 over, and it's not looking like a lot of teams on this squad are going to make it to tomorrow. So if they can get to like 400, I think that's got a chance. Surpassing 410, I think they're in.
If we get a practice session going, I'll let you know.
Yeah.
We'll text you, Timmy.
Well, yeah, that's the only way I can get better is I keep on with it.
Yeah, we'll make
Appreciate you guys.
We'll make it happen.
At least there was some positives about it, so.
Always are. We just refuse to look at them sometimes. They missed the caching by 10. Not quite close enough for match play. You know, we're all struggling a little bit, but like Timmy says, we're closer than we think. Always. It's never far off. We just got to figure it out. So, we're gonna head to Riv tomorrow, hang out in the pro shop, and get some practice in. Hopefully with Timmy back.
Bob Evans. It was fun.
Timmy!
Not the last time, just the beginning.
Oh, what the f?